Hello, dear students. Today I am going to start journal to ledger posting and find out the balance only for 10 days transaction, and how to posting journal, then ledger posting, then find out the balance. Okay. Now pass necessary journal entries and post them into ledger and find out balance and find out balances in the following transactions. 2020 2nd May started business with cash 50,000. Second transaction, May 4 purchase goods for cash rupees 20,000. 7th May cash deposited into bank rupees 10,000. 10th May salary paid rupees 8,000. Only few easy journal transactions are given. First you prepare the journal. This is the first step. Now in the format of journal, date particulars, ledger folio, debit, credit. First transaction, started business with cash, 2 account open, cash and capital account. 2020 May 2nd May cash account debit, 2 capital account 50,000. Okay. Second transaction, May 4th May purchase goods for cash, purchase account debit, purchase account DR, 2 cash account, amount 20,000, narration being purchase goods for cash. 7th May 7 cash deposited into bank. 2 accounts are opened, bank account and cash account. Bank account debit, 2 cash. What is the amount? 10,000. Debit 10,000. Similarly, credit side 10,000. Narration being cash deposited into bank. Last day 10th May salary paid rupees 8,000. Journal entry, salary account DR, 2 cash account. Okay, everybody understand first journal entry, all the cases, easy journal entry. Now then ledger posting. First journal, cash account debit, 2 capital account. Now you are open first cash account, again left hand side, right hand side. Left hand side debit particulars, journal folio amount. Credit side also same, date particulars, journal folio amount. And again also you are open capital account. This is this account and another accounts, that is first open this cash account and then capital account. Now posting cash account debit side 2000 date 2020 May 2nd May cash account debit to capital account. Debit side always recorded to, credit side always recorded by. What is the amount? 50,000. One side posting, because you are follow under the double entry system. One side posting cash account debit side journal to capital and capital account open. Credit sides date 2020 May 2nd May by cash, same amount 50,000. Now first journal entry posting both sides. Okay. Now second transaction, purchase goods for cash, purchase account and cash account. Cash account not necessary, again you are open, already you are open cash account, then another account open, this is the purchase account. Now in the journal purchase account debit, the purchase account debit sides recorded 4th May 2020, 4th May to cash account 20,000, one side posting, and cash in the case of journal credit, then cash account credit side opponent 2020 May 4th May by purchase account, by purchase account 20,000. Both sides are posting, debit sides and credit sides. Second, journal recorded to ledger posting. Now third, cash deposited into bank. Open a bank account. The two accounts are open. One account bank and another account cash. Both are real account. Real account, that is comes in debit, goes out credit. Now journal entry, bank account debit to cash account. Now again you are already open bank account. This side bank account and cash already opened. Now they are posting bank account debit to cash. Bank account debit sides you are recorded 2020, date May 7th May to cash account. What is the amount? 10,000. Now in this journal cash is credit, then cash credit side 7th May 7th by bank account. What is the amount? 10,000. Okay. Last transaction, salary paid rupees 8,000. Salary account opened, nominal account, expenses losses debit, salary account debit to cash account 8,000. Now cash is already opened, then another new account opened. This is the salary account. Salary account open again, same format, date particulars, journal folio, amount, credit side date particulars, journal folio amount. Now posting salary account journal debit, then debit sides recorded 2020 10th May to cash account. What is the amount? 8,000. One side posting. Now cash account credit sides 10th May by salary account. Amount 8,000. All journal to ledger posting. Now journal entry first, then posting all their ledger. This is the all ledgers also. Now then another steps, you find out the balance. What is the meaning of balance? Now the difference between total debit and total credit is known as balance. Balance of an account. Balance of an account may be divided into two, debit balance and credit balance. Simple sense, what do you mean by debit balance? When debit side is greater than credit side is known as debit balance and represent by balance CD carried down, then both sides are equal. Just also find out the balance, both sides are equal. Okay, this side debit side, this side credit side, but this is the more, that is the known as debit balance, but in this side is more, that is credit balance. Debit side is recorded by balance CD, then both sides are equal, but credit side is more than debit side, then recorded to balance CD, both sides are equal. Okay, now this apply how to find out the balance. All the ledger balances are given. Now first you close cash account. Now in this, which side is greater? Debit side is greater. Then you recorded debit side. What is the amount? 50,000. 50,000. But in this side is not 50,000. Now you find out, say 11th May. 11th May by balance CD. CD means carried down. Now what is the amount? Total debit side 50,000, credit side only 38,000. The difference, that means 50,000 minus 38,000, 12,000. Then both sides are equal. This is the debit balance. Okay. Now this balance transfer next date, or that is that you find out the only 11th May. Next day, May 12. To balance BD brought down. What is the amount? 12,000. Again repeat. This is the cash always debit balance. Why? Debit side is only 50,000. Credit side is not 50,000. Only this amount 38,000. The difference is known as 12,000. This is known as debit balance. This balance, then both sides are equal. Again this balance transferred to next date or next month or next year. Okay, everybody understand? Now next, purchase account. Purchase account, you are just, which side is greater? Debit side is greater. Debit side's only 20,000. Credit side is nil. Then you find out which date? May 11th, 2020, May 11th. You write by balance CD amount 20,000. Then both sides are equal. 20,000 again. Now again this is the debit balance. So next date, that is the May 12th May. Again you recorded to balance, short form BAL, balance BD, same amount 20,000. Complete the purchase account. Now capital. Next ledger, capital account. Capital account, which side? This side's only 50,000. And this side's balance you find out to May 2020, May 11th May to balance CD, same amount 50,000. Both sides are equal, that is 50,000. Both sides are equal. Again this balance transferred to next date, that is 12th May, May 12 by balance BD, same amount 50,000. Now complete this capital account. Next account, bank account. Bank account, which side is greater? Debit side. Debit side only 10,000. Credit side is nil. Then you find out the balance 2020 May 11th May by balance CD. Then both sides are equal, 10,000. Same balance May 12th May to balance BD, same amount 10,000. This complete bank account. Last salary account. Salary account, which side is greater? Debit side. What is the amount? 8,000. 8,000. Credit sides also you write 8,000. Then you write 2020 May 11th by balance CD carried down. Then both sides are equal. Now this balance again transferred to May 12th May to balance BD brought down same amount, that is 8,000. Everybody understand what is the debit balance and credit balance? This balance again also you prepare next step trial balance. Total debit always total credit, because we are follow under the double entry systems. Okay, thank you.